And it goes like this.
Alright, what's up y'all? It's me, Kasin Koral, and we're gonna be doing an oil change on this 2026 Toyota Corolla XSE hatchback. So yeah, hopefully be pretty quick. It's gonna be my first time changing oil in this, but I did change oil on this specific generation Corolla before, so it should be quick. Alright, so as you can kind of see, 4,015 miles already. Got this car in February. Just letting this bad boy run so it can warm up. Temperatures almost to operating temperatures. Right after we got this to operating temperature, drove it around, let the oil circulate, and now I'm putting on the chucks. There you go, pretty cool. Oil pan, other materials are here. Let's get this over there. There you go. Yep, gonna get my oil. Apparently the manual says to use 0W16, but I know Toyota for the Corollas is also starting to recommend 0W8, so we're gonna try that. I don't know where the filters are. I think it's this one. They should both be the same. This is 90915 YZZN1. So yeah, start lifting it and draining the oil. And here's the engine. And for proof, this is what is recommended: engine oil 0W8. That's loose viscosity, right? Very loose, and it's kind of hard to find, but at least we did find it. It's actually kind of harder to find the W16. There it is. It should be under the chassis. It should be parallel with the black metal thing here. All right. Should be lifting out. Yep, I can feel it. It did go up. So far, so good. If you hear any crazy sounds, let's say, like metal bending, stop, see where your placement is, and go down if needed. Also, when you're lifting, have your jacks ready at each side. That's at least what I do. There you go. It should be high enough. Now I just gotta check where the metal is so I can have a great place to the jack. That's plastic, plastic. That's hard, so that's metal. So, and you can feel it too. I'll put it here. Oh, I just shot that. I'll probably just lift up a little bit more. There you go. That should be good. Yep. Looks good to me. Maybe. I think, yep. Now for the left side. Okay, this is the metal part. I have to lift a little bit more because it's hitting. I guess it's a bit uneven. Yep, okay. All right, now it's time to release the pressure and set the car on the jacks. All right, gotta be slow with this. Careful. There you go. All right. Lovely. There you go. Job done. Well, so far. All right, so big skid plate. You can kind of see that I partially took off this because this is where the pan is, and the oil filter should be. Yeah, right here. There you go. There's the oil filter. I was right next to each other. I do like stuff like this. The Kia Soul has something similar to this, except it's like two separate holes, a hole to, or a big hole like this to get access to the pan, the drain plug, and a separate hole entirely like somewhere here to take out a part, not even screw it off, and take out the oil filter. I do like stuff like this. At least this one's more compact. So yeah, I only have to take this off partially. Oh, there you go. Alright, here's the 4 screws that you need to take off. Size 10mm. Did the job. Gonna put it up here. Hopefully I don't lose it. And now, there you go. The plug. There you go, drain plug. Like I said, that's the oil filter there. Right. Let me position the pan and some newspaper. Alright. Size 13mm, that's what we're using. I don't think you can really see it, but I am unscrewing it now. Hopefully I don't lose this nut. There you go. There you go. Lovely. Right, let that bad boy drain. Thankfully I caught the nuts. We'll let it drain for like around 30 minutes probably. And then we'll get the filter. Yeah, this is the oil.
Transmission fluid.
This better be the oil because the oil filter is just right there. Anyways, yeah, there's the oil water fountain. Oil fountain, I mean. Alright. Now time to take off the filter. Oh, I'm getting closer. There you go, finally. Right. Yeah. There you go. Got some oil on my face. But that is fine. Still on. Hold on. There you go. There you go. That's the rest of the oil. Leave that there. So 909151009. Is that what we got? For documentation purposes, this was 10009, and the new one that we're putting on, 𝐌𝐔𝐒𝐿1, should be the same. Let's. Yeah, relatively. Seems like the exact same, actually. Right. Let's put this bad boy back on. Looks already oiled up. If you haven't, oil up the seal as well as the inside. Right. Now, there it is. You see that little stub there? That's where we have to put this back on. And tighten will be fine. There you go. Yep, it's on there. All right, hand tight, hand tight, hand tight. All right, should be good. Once this bad boy starts back up, it should seal it a little bit more if I'm correct. Now we have to put back the nuts, which I don't know where it is. Also, the washer's on there. If it's not there, go search for it because you will need that. You will need that washer. Now I need to find that nut. Gonna put on this plug, hand tight. There you go. Right. Remember size 13mm. No, 14, I mean, sorry. 14mm. All right, should be good. Now we've put the oil. Shit. Now is the easy part. This is the easy part now. So with the filter that we put on, it is 4.4 quarts. So yeah, W0W8 is the best oil. We're gonna watch this until it, yeah, there you go, 0W8. And we'll watch until around here, and then we'll check the oil levels. Okay. Fuel cap's off. Right, we wiped this down already. If you haven't, do that. Oop. There you go. You can see it wobbling a lot. I need to hit the gym. Right. All right, so far so good. All right, let me see where it is now. Oh, we're close. Okay. Right. Oh, we're still a little off. Right. Let's see where we are now. We'll put it even. A little bit left to go. All a measuring game this is. We're so close. Right. A little bit more, cameraman, would you say that? All right, a little bit. All right. Pretty good. All right. If need be, we'll put some more, but we'll just check out the oil levels. Cold. Starting? All right. Actually, let me put this. All right. Looks like we're midway. Actually, maybe a little past full. I can't really tell. See it? It stops. Here. Right there, yeah, okay. So we're halfway. All right, I nearly forgot to put these back with that part of the pan. So I'm gonna put that back on. Lower this car and then, or yeah, take that pan out, and then we will run it so that the oil can circulate, and we'll see if we need to put more. All right, plates back on. Now I'm gonna try to get these jacks off. Already got my thing positioned. Right. Ugh. Lifting up a little bit. Give me some clearance. I think we're good. Please. Yes. One down. Last one. All right. Let's go some more. Right. There you go. Very lovely. All right. Now, we have to brace. Let me try to position this. Alright, braking. There you go. There you go. Lovely. Alright, few things. So far, no leaks, it looks like. That liquid over there looks like water, so it's fine. It's a little bit too far to the right and a little too far center forward to be oil. So, we should start the engine. Go around, warm up the engine again. Gonna let that warm up a little bit, and then we'll go around and see if we need to put more oil. Just got back from my drive. Now we're gonna check our oil level while it is hot. All right. All right. Looks a bit of midway, I believe. I would say cameraman. All right. Just put a little bit more. It was actually a little above the lower dot, so just to be safe, put around half a quart in. So that should be it. Let me see for a leak. So far nothing. That one still looks like the water. So over there. That. Huh. Wonder what that is. No, it doesn't look like oil though. That should be it. So yeah. That's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully y'all found it informative, and yeah, have a good day.